Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, aloha. Today I got this $27 wig. If you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Okay, this is Trissa from Empress lace wig. It's the color 1B. It has a natural center part, and these are the colors on the back. And this is just how the stock card that it came with. I have clothes on, just to let you guys know. My hair is maybe a couple days old. Just gonna use the comb and do what I usually do when my hair is not braided under a wig. I just part it in the middle and twist it down on the ends. Just the same thing I do in all my videos. One day I'll learn how to braid. Today is not that day. So of course I use the new hair ties just to get a tighter grip on the wigs that have clips in the front. They just tend to hold better at the bottom. And I'm twisting a little tighter at the top just because of the clips. I think when I twist a little tighter, the clips hold better when they're on the side. If you guys want to see natural hair videos, let me know. I'm working on it. I'm not the best with my natural hair, but I will learn if you guys are going to watch it. So this is just the hair I have, and I'm just going to add some oil on the part. Of course, that's where the makeup be. That's where I'm going to put gel, whatever. My hair is already dry, but this just helps it not be so dry. So this is, I've worn this wig maybe 4 or 5 times when I'm on vacation with it, we're in the sun with it. I took this wig on roller coasters. We've been on airplanes, everything. So, and I've only had it for maybe 2 weeks. I wore it a couple times. And I'm just going to use this Got2b and my trusty toothbrush. And we're just going to do the front baby hairs how I like. Again, you guys follow your own hairline, because if you do it just like this, it's probably not gonna look right. So yeah, just do your own thing right here. Just a freestyle. I'm just gonna try to get that as flat as possible. And I'm not using gel today because the gel I was using I don't like. So when I find a new gel, you guys will know. And I was using that Eco gel with the red top, very flaky. I know I used it in past videos, but we're not gonna use that anymore. And I'm just gonna put my sideburns a little bit out the way, but you won't be able to see them really because of the hair. And I'm just gonna throw it on. It looks nappy, yes, I know. This is how it looks when you first put it on. Do not scoot it back when you put it on. Flip it and pick it up and push it back on. That way you don't mess up your baby hairs if you're not gonna lay them down, because I don't lay them down when I'm just doing a wig like this. It probably would have brushed better with a bigger brush, but that one was wet because I left it in the shower. So we're just going to use this little baby wig brush. It still does the same thing. This is how the hair brushes out. Remember I said I wore this wig on roller coasters. I took it on a plane. It's been in my suitcase. It's been everywhere. But I think it still looks good. A couple more wears out of it. So I just want to show you guys. And this is how it looks up close. This is out of focus, of course. But this is how it looks when it's in focus. It's still very invisible. Unless somebody is like super in your head. This is great for a $27 wig. And that's just how it looks. It tangles a bit in the back, but that is expected. 100 synthetic wig. And now I'm just gonna take a brush just to like get the flyaways a little bit from where I plucked it. And I'm gonna take some concealer, the Age Rewind by Maybelline, and a flat brush, and we're just gonna dot on the scalp line first, and then we're gonna blur and fill it in. I like this way better than how I was doing it before because it just looks more natural. See, look at that. Look at that. Wow. I'm impressed, and I've watched this video 1,000 times. So it does tangle a little bit, but yeah. This is lip gloss I use if you guys want to know. Burt's Bees lip gloss is the best. If you don't like sticky lip gloss, this is it. And this is how long the hair is. Very bouncy. And this is how it looks. If you guys like this, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys next time.